Namaste everyone, this is Dr. Pratibha Case. Today I am presenting Immunology and Animal Biotechnology paper 6 University question paper. Okay, so 5th semester BSc examination November or December 2017 question paper, Immunology and Animal Biotechnology paper 6. Maximum mark 70, time 3 hours. Instruction to follow: draw neat label diagrams wherever necessary, and below the diagram kindly write what is that particular diagram. Section A carries 2 marks each. Section B carries 5 marks each. Section C carries 10 marks each. And section D carries 1 mark each. Okay, now let us go through section A. First main, write short notes on the following. Okay, first question, acquired immunity. Then antigens, blood cell components, erythropoietin, transformed cells. Each answer of all these questions carries 2 marks. So total 10 marks here. Okay. Important points you need to write it here, and relevant points you need to underline. After each answer, put double lines. Okay. You just kindly check whether you have the answer for all these questions or not. If you didn't get any particular question, let me know. I'll be able to give you the answer for the question. Okay. Then section B, second main, answer any 4 of the following. 5 questions will be asked. In from this, you need to answer any 4. Sixth question, explain humoral immunity. Write a note on ABO blood grouping system. What is immunization? Explain. Explain serum-free media with examples. 10th question, give an account on expression vectors. Then section C, third main, answer any 3 of the following. Here they've asked 5 questions. From this, any 3 you need to answer. So each question answer carries 10 marks. 11th question, explain the technique of enzymatic disaggregation of the tissue. Write the principle, protocol and application of ELISA. Discuss the role of antibodies in allergic reactions. 14th question, what is a vaccine? Explain peptide and DNA vaccine. What is transfection? Explain in detail. Section D, answer the following 16 question. Define passive immunity. What are epitopes? 18th question, what are lymphocytes? 19th question, expand RIA. 20th question, what is attenuation? 21st question, what is a serum? 22nd question, expand PDGF. 23rd, what is cloning? 24th, name the person who discovered monoclonal antibodies. 25th question, what is bioforming? So this is all about the Immunology and Animal Biotechnology 2017 paper. Now let us go through 2014 question paper. Okay. Write short notes on the following. H chain of antibody. H, that is nothing but the heavy chain. Louis Pasteur, erythropoietin, hybridoma cells, attenuation. Section B, answer any 4 of the following. Write a note on types of T lymphocytes. Explain delayed type hypersensitivity. Write a note on DNA vaccines. Write an account on serum-free media. What is inflammation? Explain. Okay, all these questions carries, if you write the answer, 5 marks. Section C, write any 3 of the following. 11th question, explain the barriers of innate immunity. 12th question, what are growth factors? Explain EGF, PDGF, NGF. 13th question, explain classical pathway of complement activation. Add a note on the functions of complement system. 14th question, Explain precipitation patterns in ODD. B. Phagocytosis. 15th question. Give the applications of transgenic sheep and mice. Section D. Fourth main. Answer the following in one sentence or one word. What is transfection? What are HeLa cell lines? Expand ELISA. Who discovered blood groups in man? Where do B cells mature in birds? Expand EDTA. What are hactons? What are colony stimulating factors? Name the immunoglobulin which can pass through the placenta. Name two detergents used for cell disruption. Next university question paper, year 2013. First main, write short notes on the following. Section A. Question number 1, active immunity. Question number 2, adjuvant. Question number 3, membrane attack complex. Fourth question, allergy. Fifth question, plasma clot. Section B, answer any four of the following. Differentiate between cell-mediated and humoral immunity. Seventh question, give a brief description of the structure of IgG. Eighth question, what are expression vectors? Explain with suitable examples. Ninth question, explain the applications of monoclonal antibodies. 10th question, write about importance of serum in animal cell culture medium. Kindly take screenshot or kindly pause this video and make a note. Section C, answer any three of the following. Define antigen. Explain its characters and factors influencing antigenicity. 12th question, explain the roles of different immune system cells in immunity. Describe the properties and functions of complement system. Elucidate the requirements for the growth of animal cells in vitro. Describe the techniques involved in the production of transgenic animals. Section D, fourth main, answer the following in one sentence or one word. What is acquired immunity? What is trypsinization? Which type of hypersensitivity is known as delayed type hypersensitivity? What are attenuated vaccines? What is a fluorochrome? Which part of the antibody is labeled with the radioisotope in RIA? What is chemically defined media? What are continuous cell lines? Expand HGPRT. What is erythropoietin? Now let us go to the next question paper, year 2011. Immunology and animal biotechnology. Okay. Answer any five of the following. Okay. Then section B, answer any four of the following. Then answer any three of the following. So this is 2011 university question paper, but you don't have 60 marks now. Now you are writing for 70 marks, but you can just observe here what kind of questions will be asked. But this is not the pattern. Okay. You have 2 marks, 5 marks, 10 marks, and then 1 mark. Okay. So just go through the different types of questions here. Question number 1 here, memory cells. Okay. Question number 1, memory cells. Second question, adjuvant. Third question, Rh factor. Fourth question, hat selection. Fifth question, erythropoietin. Sixth question, cytotoxic. toxicity. So here, this particular question paper for 2011. Okay, this was during the 2011, but this is not the pattern, but you can refer all these questions. Second main, answer any four of the following. Give a brief account on history of immunology. Explain the structure and functions of lymph node. Describe the mechanism of phagocytosis. Write the advantages and disadvantages of serum in animal cell media. 11th question, explain the role of interleukins in animal cells. Okay, all these question answer carries 5 marks each. Section C, third main, answer any three of the following. Any three you need to answer, each answer carries 10 marks. 12th question, explain the technique and applications of RIA and ELISA. Give a detailed account on types of immunity. Describe the production of recombinant vaccines and its applications. Define cell line. Explain different types of cell lines. 16th question. Explain the techniques used for the production of transgenic animals. Okay, now let us go to the next question paper, 2010. Here also this is for 10 marks, but you will be writing this year for 2020-21 for 70 marks, okay, not 60 marks. Answer any 5 of the following. DNA vaccines, passive immunity, micro injection. You don't have this tubular bioreactor, you can leave. Hybridoma techniques, attenuation. Okay. How does acquired immunity protect us from infection? What are secondary lymphoid organs? Discuss antibody diversity and its implications. Explain the use of animal cell cultures in vaccine production. Okay. This one you don't have. Okay. Question number 9 and question number 4 you don't have any more syllabus. Explain the use of animal cell culture in vaccine production. Importance of monoclonal antibodies in diagnosis. So you can keep in your mind monoclonal antibodies in diagnosis. Answer any three of the following. What is an antigen? Describe the major characteristics of an antigen. Explain properties and functions of complement system. What are peptide vaccine? How are they prepared? Discuss with examples. 15th question. Give an account of the different growth factors involved in animal cell growth and differentiation. Describe the steps involved in production of transgenic sheep. So this is about the paper 6, Immunology and Animal Biotechnology University question paper. Okay. Here you need to keep in your mind 2017 paper in your mind. Okay. So in 2017 paper, you have section A of 5 questions you need to answer. Each carries 2 marks. Section B, any 4 you need to answer. Each carries 5 marks. Section C, you need to answer any 3. Each answer carries 10 marks. Then section D, fourth main, that is 10 questions will be there. Each answer carries 1 mark. Okay, this is the pattern of question paper of your year 2021. I hope you understood today's question paper and the model paper. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can drop me a message. I'll get you the answer. Okay, no worries. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hi, Dr. Pratibha KA signing off for today. Stay tuned with me. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you.